Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mira's World here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. So guys, today we're leaving Nigeria. Finally, we're leaving Lagos and we are flying to Qatar. Yeah, I've always wanted to visit, and in this trip I just want to chill, relax and enjoy the moment, and as well as capture moments and contents for you guys. So I stopped at the lounge, had some breakfast, and I was finally ready for this trip. This is me trying to board. I boarded, and thankfully the people sitting near me or beside me are the people from the same group talk.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Privilege Club and One World.
Because this isn't really like a solo trip, it's more like a group trip. Though I don't know anyone from here, I'm just getting to know them for the first time, and I think it's nice meeting new people and trying to travel with people that you don't know before. You know, I've done solo travels, I've done group trips. I feel like they are all, you know, different in their own ways, and I love two of them, even though sometimes I think I enjoy traveling solo so that I can do everything at my own pace and in my own time. Nobody would rush you to say, oh, we need to go to this place, you guys should come out at 3 p.m. and stuff like that. Anyways, I boarded and I was seeing this movie. It was so crazy. I was so emotional and I cried. Yeah, I think it is Kizini or something. I think you should try seeing that movie. It's so interesting. Anyways, after that I wiped my tears, slept, ate, enjoyed the flight, walked around at some point. It was just a chilled flight, I would say. So finally we arrived Doha Qatar airport, and it was late at night. I've been to this airport severally, so I wasn't really freaked out trying to look around and all, and it was already late. Anyways, we were headed to the hotel, and oh my god, the routes are so fine, everything looks so well. I got up the next morning and I came outside to film this hotel because it was really looking pink. It was super beautiful. I'm like, I wouldn't come here and just go inside the hotel without showing you guys what this hotel looks like. That's the hotel, and that's the name over here. So basically this is what it looks like, and then this is what the neighborhood looks like. So back to the hotel, I'm gonna be going inside right now. So it's time to go inside to show you guys how Sengenburger looks like, because I think that's how it's been pronounced. It's a 5-star hotel, so I expected it to be really beautiful, and I feel like it lived up to it being a 5-star hotel. Look at this beautiful reception, look at the setup, look at the lighting, look at, oh my god, everything speaks, you know, beauty, and I love the way the setup is. And if you walk towards this side, you see a bakery by the left and a big pastry shop or something, and then when you walk further you see the lift where you can go upstairs to the room and stuff. The couch, the settings, everything looks alright. I went upstairs and I needed to like drop my things in my room, and I'm gonna quickly show you guys how the room looks like as well, because it's just breathtaking. So this is what the room looks like, and I'm just slowly gonna like go around and show you guys. By the left hand side is that wallpaper and this area where you can keep your boxes and shoes and stuff. There's this wardrobe with everything you need, laundry stuff, ironing stuff, hangers and stuff. Let's open this one and see. Everywhere is empty. You have compartments where you can put your stuff. Amazing, I like it. So this is the tea area where you have kettle, different kinds of tea, water and stuff. Me feeling myself as usual, I like where there are enough mirrors and stuff so I can always look at myself. This is the toilet part, and let's quickly go over it. By the left hand side is this bathtub, That's me saying hi again. This is the sink area where you can brush teeth. This is another mirror. I mean, there's so many mirrors here, and if you've watched my vlogs in the past, you will know I love, seeing myself in multiple mirrors. I love feeling myself. So anytime I get to a hotel where I feel like there are so many mirrors, I really do like it and I enjoy it. Anyway, back to what we are saying. There's this hair dryer here. The toilet is this one that can be automated to flush by itself and to wash your other stuff. The bathroom has this nice shower, warm enough, and everything is just looking the way it's supposed to look. This is the room, this is the bed. I think this is a queen size bed, a big king size bed, I don't really know, but it looks so smooth, so nice, so fluffy. I'm gonna jump on it soon, just give me some time. Anyway, this is I don't know if this is a POP or ceiling, whatever it is, it looks pink. That's a reading area in the room in case you want to sit down, read, or work on your laptop or do stuff. Try turning the power on, but I don't think I figured it out at this point. These are different sockets where you can plug your laptops and your phone and stuff. This place is really thought after. The thoughts behind having to set up a place like this is really, really authentic, if I may say. Like, they thought about it very well. The interior designer did a good job. I mean, it doesn't feel like a lot is happening, but everything seems in place, because this is a group tour. I cannot determine how much exactly was paid for this hotel, but when I looked it up, it was saying around $250 or $300, or was it around 150, between 150 to $250, I guess. This television, best believe I never turned it on until I left Qatar, because did I come for vacation to watch movies or what? Anyway, this is me trying to check out everywhere, sit down, run around. I was feeling myself because I just got in. I needed to see everything that is in this place before I settle in. So this is me again, feeling myself, because why not? Why not, baby? So at this point, I just decided to sleep and wake up the next morning and show you guys the view from this place. I think I was on I can't remember the floor number, but let me give you guys a sneak peek of what the view looks like from here. So this is the view. It is so breathtaking, so amazing. So guys, I guess it's time for breakfast. Let's go have breakfast, guys. Thank you. Yeah. So I'm done with breakfast and I decided to show you guys around the hotel. Swimming pool, pool bar, terrace, spa. So I'm literally going to be showing you guys the pool, the gym, and every other outdoor space that they've got here. So stay with me and have fun. So basically that's what the gym looks like, and I'm gonna be going up now where you can see the free space where they conduct dance classes and all of those good stuff. I generally feel like the trip and having to go around the hotel to see what they've got is really amazing. Enjoying this trip, and I feel like it's going to be cool, right? And I guess that brings us to the end of this amazing video. If you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Until then, bye. Thanks for watching.